Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Nissan Leaf. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.